Afterwards Christ appeared, saying, I am born of the Holy Spirit. If it is easy today, among Christians, to acknowledge the truth of this claim, at the time it was very difficult. Thus, according to the text of the Gospel, the Pharisees said, Is this not the son of Joseph of Nazareth, whom we know? How then can he say, I have come down from heaven? Briefly, this man, who appeared lowly in the eyes of all, arose nonetheless, with such power, as to abrogate a 1500-year-old dispensation, notwithstanding that the least deviation from its laws would expose the offender to grave danger, and bring about his death and annihilation. Moreover, in the time of Christ the general morals and manners of the Israelites had become entirely confused and corrupted, and Israel had fallen into a state of utmost degradation, misery, and bondage. At one time they fell captive to the Chaldeans and the Persians, at another they were under the yoke of the Assyrian Empire. One day they became the subjects and vassals of the Greeks, another they were subjugated and humiliated by the Romans. This young man, Christ, through an extraordinary power abrogated the ancient Mosaic Law, and undertook to reform the morals of the people. He once again laid the foundation of eternal honor for the Israelites, nay, he undertook to rehabilitate the fortunes of the entire human race, and spread abroad teachings that were not reserved for Israel alone, but formed the basis for the universal happiness of human society. The first to arise to destroy him were the Israelites, his own people and kindred. And to outward seeming they indeed overcame him, and reduced him to utter abasement, till at last they crowned him with the crown of thorns and crucified him. But this man, while outwardly immersed in deepest affliction, proclaimed, This sun will rise, this light will shine resplendent, my grace will encompass the world, and all mine enemies will be confounded. And even as he spoke, so it came to pass, for all the kings of the earth were unable to resist him. Nay, all their standards were cast down, while the standard of that wronged one was raised to the loftiest heights. Is this at all possible in accordance with the rules of human reason? No, by God. Then it is clear and evident that this glorious being was a true educator of the world of humanity, and that he was aided and assisted by a divine power.